Good morning, good traders. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. This is Taco the Forex Guy, and I hope you're having a great day. So today we're analyzing the NasDaq, okay, the US Tech 100, okay. So you can see that from the beginning of September we are having this bullish momentum. Although, like in the beginning of the year, it has been a bullish momentum ever since, right? So we're just analyzing this on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that we had this bullish movement, right, and we also have this break of this structure with this bullish candles and a continuation of the bullish sentiment also breaking this structure, okay. And we have this trend line, okay, that I've just drawn here, okay. So you can see that we had 1 2 3 4 touches, okay, meaning that it's a bullish sentiment, and whatever we are doing, we're looking for what? For a bullish opportunity, right? So this is a time frame where you can see that what the market is doing. So recently you can see that we had a break of this structure, okay. We had a break of this structure, a clean break of this structure by these bullish candles, right? And price came back, right, to try and retest to an area of what? Of influence. So let's see what that area of influence was on the lower time frame, okay. So let's look at the 1-hour time frame. So okay, you see that we broke from this structure, right? We broke this structure, right, and we came back to retest, right? What was responsible for that? So it was a short movement, okay. So you can see that we had a break of this structure, right? Break of this structure by these candles, right? And the origination of that movement was this candle, right? So we came back and retested that, and we formed a morning star, right? This is a candle formation called a morning star, and we went bullish, right? And it's the same thing that happened here. We broke this structure, right, and price came back to test this order block here from this candle, right? Tested it, went up again, right? And then it did not have a clean break, so it came back to retest the same place, right? Went up and then continued going bullish, right? So we broke this level as well, right? We broke this level as well, and price came back and fell, right? So as price is falling, you need to find where price is going, right? So the best way you can do that is by drawing another trade line here, okay? Another trade line here, right? And focus on what price might do, okay? So you can see that price broke out of here. Price to come back to your place of interest, right? And that is what price did. Price came back, tapped into this, went bullish, and came back to just take out the early buyers, right? Took out the early buyers, got momentum, and continued going bullish, right? So for you, as you enter your trade, you need to know where your stop loss is going to be, right? So if you enter a trade here, you need to know that your stop loss has to be behind this this support level here, okay? This support level, right? That is where your stop loss needs to be. So you enter here, but your stop loss is way behind this the support level, so that when price comes back to look for those people that have their stop losses really tight, you get taken out and the market continues going bullish, right? So what are we waiting to see this week as the market opens, okay? So that is what we're going to analyze now, what we're going to be looking for in the market. So you can see that the market came, right, with bullish momentum, right, and it broke out, right? It broke out of this structure over here, okay? So the market broke this structure, okay? As it broke this structure, it also came back to retest, okay? Came back to retest to the candles that are responsible for that for that movement, which are these candles, right? Came back to that order block, right? Retested that order block. You could have entered here, right? Have your stop loss way behind here, okay? And continue going bullish. So what we're looking for is for price to come here, right? And break out of this structure, okay? And create new higher highs, okay? So let's see on the 15-minute time frame, okay? You can also draw something like this, right? It's like a falling wedge, right? And you know how a falling wedge always ends when I do my analysis, right? So you have this falling wedge right here. Price broke out of that falling wedge, came back to retest, and then continue going bullish, right? So you can also see that we had a break of this structure, right? This structure was broken by these candles, and price immediately came back to retest the origination of that, right? And continue going bullish. So price is being stopped by this by this resistant level here. Okay, so if price comes back, opens up on Monday with a bullish momentum and breaks out of this structure with a clean break, right, and closes out of this structure, that is when we can start looking for more buy momentums, right, to buy to all go up to this level, okay, and create higher highs, right? So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you find interest in the strategy that I use. Okay, trend lines and order blocks are all that you need, and you also need to know where to place your stop loss and your take profit. Yeah.